Hello, hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. I am David.
And I am Alice. We are so incredibly happy to talk with you today.
Yes, we are. Today we have a very useful and practical topic for your everyday life. Oh wow, we are going to practice English with morning routines.
Yes, the things we do every single day, right after we open our eyes. This is perfect for daily life vocabulary.
Exactly, Alice. Talking about your morning is one of the most common conversations in English.
Right. Beginners always tell me, Alice, I know what I do in the morning, but I don't know the simple English words for it.
Well, don't worry at all. Today, we will learn step-by-step phrases to describe your morning routine clearly, slowly and confidently.
Perfect. If you want to improve your English listening and speaking with us every single day, please subscribe to our channel right now.
Click that big subscribe button and the little notification bell. It helps our friendly global community grow together.
Thank you so much. Now find a comfortable place, relax your shoulders, and let's start our day together.
So, Alice, let's start at the very beginning of the day. Are you a morning person?
Oh, a morning person. That means someone who loves waking up early and has lots of energy at 6 a.m., right?
Yes, exactly. Someone who smiles as soon as the sun comes up.
Oh, then definitely no. I am not a morning person at all. I love my warm bed too much. What about you, David?
I am a bit of both. I like the quiet morning, but I need a big cup of hot coffee first.
Ah, yes. Coffee is like magic juice in the morning.
It really is. Many beginners get confused about the very first two actions of the day, waking up and getting up.
Oh, wow, yes. Wake up versus get up. They sound almost the same. What is the difference, David?
It is very simple. Wake up means you open your eyes. You stop sleeping.
Ah, wake up. My eyes open, but my body is still under the blanket.
Exactly. And get up means you physically move your body out of the bed. You stand up on the floor.
Oh, I see. Let's say that together slowly. Get up.
Perfect. First I wake up, then I get up. Usually there are 20 minutes between them for me.
Only 20 minutes. For me, it is 1 hour. Let's look at some daily examples and learn how to say them perfectly. Let's look at the first sentence you can use every day. You can say, I wake up at, and then say the time. Oh, I wake up at 7 a.m.
Excellent, Alice. Let's repeat that pattern. I wake up at.
I wake up at 6:30 every morning. But David, what wakes you up? For me, it is a very loud noise on my phone.
Ah, that noise is your alarm clock, or simply your alarm.
Yes, my alarm clock rings. It goes beep, beep, beep. It is so annoying. I know.
I know. You can say, my alarm goes off at 7 a.m.
Oh, goes off. That means it starts making noise?
Yes, it is a phrasal verb. My alarm goes off.
My alarm goes off. And then, David, I hit a special button on my phone, the snooze button.
The snooze button allows you to sleep for 5 or 10 more minutes. You can say, I hit the snooze button.
I hit the snooze button twice. Oh, that is a very bad habit, isn't it?
It is a common habit. Don't feel bad, Alice. After you hit the snooze button, it is finally time to get out of bed.
Right. My feet touch the cold floor. I can say, I get up at 7:15 a.m.
Perfect. Let's practice that phrase. I get up.
I get up. What if I stretch my body first? Like a cat?
Ah, that is a great action word. Stretch. You can say, I stretch my arms and legs.
I stretch my arms. It feels so good.
Yes, it does. After I get up, I usually put on my slippers and my housecoat or bathrobe.
Oh, slippers. Those are soft shoes you wear only inside the house, right?
Yes, to keep your feet warm. I put on my slippers.
I put on my slippers. Easy and cozy.
Now, before you leave your bedroom, there is an important chore.
Oh no, I know what it is. Tidying the blankets and pillows?
Yes, in English we call this making the bed.
Ah, I make my bed. Do we use the verb make, not do?
Correct, Alice. You never say I do my bed. You always say I make my bed.
I make my bed every morning. To be honest, David, sometimes I forget to make my bed.
If you are in a rush, it is okay, but it is a good habit. Let's repeat it slowly. I make my bed.
I make my bed. My mom would be very happy to hear me say that phrase.
Excellent. Next, most people go straight to the bathroom. What do you do there, Alice?
Well, I look in the mirror and I look very tired, so I need cold water to look alive.
Yes, you wash your face. You can say, I wash my face with cold water.
I wash my face.
After that, you need to clean your teeth. We say, I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth. What do we use to brush our teeth, David?
We use a toothbrush and toothpaste.
Ah, I put toothpaste on my toothbrush.
Perfect. Let's repeat the main action phrase. I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. Dentists love that sentence.
Some people like to clean their whole body in the morning.
Yes, it helps to wake up fully. You can say, I take a shower.
Yes, in British English, people also say, I have a shower. Both take a shower and have a shower are perfectly fine.
Oh, good to know. I take a shower. I have a shower.
What do you use to dry your body after the shower, Alice?
You use a soft cloth called a towel. You can say, I dry myself with a towel.
I dry myself with a towel. Excellent. What if you wash your hair?
Then you use shampoo, and you need to dry your hair with a machine called a hairdryer.
Wonderful vocabulary. Hairdryer. You can say, I dry my hair.
I dry my hair.
Now, it is your turn to practice speaking English. Oh, wow! Don't just sit there and listen silently. Open your mouth and speak out loud with us right now.
Yes, this is how you make real progress. I will ask you a question about your morning, and you will answer during the silence. Don't be afraid.
Let's practice waking up. Alice, ask the first question.
What time do you wake up? 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. You can say, I wake up at... Great job.
Let's practice the bathroom routine. Alice, ask them about their teeth.
Do you brush your teeth before or after breakfast? 3, 2, 1. Wonderful answer. You can say, I brush my teeth before, or I brush my teeth after.
Let's do one last practice about breakfast food. Alice, ask them what they eat.
What do you have for breakfast? 3, 2, 1. Yum, I heard some delicious answers. You can say, I have for breakfast. You are doing absolutely incredible.
We learned so many amazing daily life words today. Let's do a slow final review to keep them in your memory.
Yes, please repeat after me one last time to master your morning vocabulary.
Phrase 1. I wake up versus I get up.
Phrase 2. I make my bed. Phrase 3. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Phrase 4. I have breakfast and drink coffee. Phrase 5. I get dressed and leave the house. You did a magnificent job today. Yes. Practicing everyday actions helps you speak English without stopping to think too much. Yes. Every time you practice with us, your English becomes more natural and fluid. You should be proud of yourself.
We love learning about your lives because our channel is a big, friendly family. Please talk to us in the comments right now.
Tell us in the comments, what time do you wake up? And what is your favorite thing to eat or drink in the morning?
Oh, wow, yes! Write your short morning routine in the comments section below. Alice and I will read your sentences and reply to you.
We look forward to reading your comments so much. In our next lesson, we will practice easy English vocabulary for describing your bedroom and house.
Oh, that will be very cozy and useful. Don't miss it.
See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone. Happy learning. Have a beautiful day ahead.